Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system requirements and enabling virtualization in firmware. This matters because WSL2 uses a lightweight VM for full Linux kernel compatibility. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator and run the first command to enable the WSL feature. Make sure to pick which WSL version you want. WSL1 installs faster, while WSL2 gives better Docker and kernel support. Keep PowerShell open. The next slide continues the precise commands and conversion steps. Now you'll run the core install commands. If your build supports it, execute WSL install to enable both the feature and a default distro. Otherwise, enable features with dism/online/enable feature and install a distro from the store. Once the distro boots, create your Unix user and password. Then immediately run package updates and install essentials like Build Essential, curl, and SSH. If you need WSL2, set the distro version with WSL set version distro name 2, which converts the file system. Finish by configuring defaults and resource limits so WSL behaves predictably. Create a WSL config in your Windows user folder to set memory and CPU limits, and run WSL set default version 2 if you prefer WSL2 by default. Make sure interop and path sharing suit your workflow, and enable optional GUI support if needed. If something fails, verify virtualization is enabled in BIOS, reboot. Run Windows Update, then run WSL Update. As a last resort export, unregister, and reinstall the distro to recover a clean environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.